Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this AI music generator, which is Soundful. So let's dive into it. Talking about Soundful. Soundful is the fast, intuitive AI music generator that lets you create royalty-free track in seconds. It offers a varieties of genres from limpo to cinematic, which make it a perfect for content creators who need background music for videos, podcasts, or social media posts. The interface is very simple and you can download tracks in multiple formats like MP3, WAV, and even Steams for further editing. The main advantage is the speed and ease of use, plus the commercial use license included in paid plan. So this actually makes this great for monetized content. However, there are some limitations. The AI generated tracks can feel repetitive and eccentric if used extensively, and the creative control is limited compared to the additional dual. Some users also report confusing subscription teams and the difficulties when it comes to cancellation. So in my opinion, I think Soundful works best as a quick music solution for creators, but not satisfying for those looking for full customized high quality composition. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.